Yeah. And I think I might need to run inside and grab my laptop. Oh no. Yeah, well, anyways, we're off. Got the bags packed. And got some fun planned out. Something different. Oh shoot. All right, good to get it. Okay. Damn, I didn't lock the door. Man, old man stuff here. I'm trying to get out of here and run to do a couple things, and we're gonna hit the road today. We're gonna have a little fun today. But I gotta lock my damn door in my house before I pull off. Yeah. So anyways, today we're gonna go pick up this truck of my buddies, and we're gonna see what it's like to drive a truck, a big truck. You know, but some of you guys call them real big trucks. We're gonna go do that today. Dang, I could have talked to that garage door person. But it's a nasty kind of day here, kind of rainy and wet. But hopefully the yard where the W9 is ain't all nasty, because I need to get some stuff out of there. I want to get my iPad and my iPad cover and a couple of the phone chargers and stuff to make sure I got all the chargers and everything I need to do what I got to do. I can probably steal them out of here for the time being, but I'd rather take them out of the W9 because I want to buy new ones for the W9 anyways. So it gives me an excuse if I forget to put them back. I got to buy new ones. So here we go. Off we go. Well, here we go. Here it is. In this tight little warehouse here. Just had to pull in. Tiny as all can be. But back the old 48 in like I knew what I was doing. Yep, that's right. I'm playing around in a 379. We'll see how y'all Peterbilt boys do it this week. Real good and washed up on my boy. Cleaned up real good. We're gonna run it. It's hard to get used to all the switches and things being in different locations than Kenworth, but it's been kind of funny trying to get used to it. I only drove it about 30 miles so far down here to where I'm picking this stuff up. I was gonna take footage of that, but it's kind of in the rush to get down here to start picking up this produce. But it's definitely something different so far. Still a Kenworth guy. I mean, I like Pete's. I like the way they look, but so far, still a Peterbilt guy. I mean, Peterbilt, Kenworth guy. I'm watching this guy unload or load the stuff up and mess my words all up. But we're gonna have some fun, y'all. Man, my guy done did a lot of work for this truck. I seen him last night making some noise. Here I done caught him today. This thing right here put some pressure on 99%, boy. Yes, sir. Check this thing out here, y'all. turned out real good.